The importance of systematic instruction. In this film, we shall see 4 to 5-year-old children with their teacher. While watching the film, please pay special attention to the following. Observe how the instructions are given. The teacher emphasizes some words such as magnet, experiment and observation, as these words are not familiar to the children. To make the children understand clearly, body language, facial expressions and actual objects are used by the teacher. Also note how the teacher asks questions and responds to the child's answers. The importance of systematic instruction.
When we do an experiment, what we do is observe. What does that mean? That means we have to look at it carefully and think about it as well. That is why we don't talk while doing an experiment. First, you have to finish your work. After you are done with it, you can talk to each other. Will you all remember this rule for doing the experiment? Yes? So now we will do an experiment. This little thing that you see in my hand, you've all seen it before, haven't you?
Yes.
What do we call it?
A magnet.
It's called a magnet. A magnet. Do you know what it means? Sticky. You are right. It does stick. Now, some of you take a magnet each and try around the classroom. When you come back, tell us what you see. What happens to your magnet? You can tell me, or Jayashree teacher, or Ashwini teacher, any one of us. Okay? And if you don't want to tell us, you can take a paper from here and make a drawing. Then, if you tell us a story, that's okay with us too. All right? But I can give these magnets to only 8 children. And the other 8 children will sit here with me and do another experiment. Put the magnet in here, in this bowl, and see what happens. Okay? Take the magnet out. Take it out along with whatever is stuck to it. Take off the things stuck to your magnet and keep them aside. Then pass the bowl on to someone else. Take off the things stuck to your magnet and keep them aside. So tell me, did the seeds get stuck to your magnet? Then what came out?
The bottle top.
Only the bottle tops, right? What was in this bowl?
Seeds.
Seeds and?
Bottle tops.
And what got stuck to your magnet and came out? The bottle
Bottle
tops came out. So when I put my magnet into the bowl filled with things, something got stuck to it. The bottle tops got stuck, but not the seeds. Then when I placed it in another bowl, some clips got stuck to it, but not the bindis. So now you tell me just like this.
My magnet stuck to that teacher.
To what?
To the stool.
It's stuck to the stool. Can you show me where it's stuck?
Here.
To the metal leg. Very good. And who else moved around the classroom with their magnets? You? Tell me what your magnet stuck to.
I put my magnet near that pin there and it got stuck to it.
Well done. Absolutely right answer. What else stuck to the magnet?
Bottle tops.
Bottle tops, clips, nails. So what kind of things got stuck? What
things.
kind of
Things
things?
made of iron.
Very good. Things made of iron. That is why it is called a magnet, because it pulls or sticks to metal objects.
We have learned the following things from this film. Instructions must always be precise, clear and systematic. It is important to make sure that the children have understood the instructions properly. New words must be explained clearly to the children. When the children understand clearly what is exactly expected of them, they become stress-free and then they can focus their complete attention on learning. Clear instructions also help children to work in a calm and organized manner.